Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks DIY Garage. Well, in the past and the present, I've been told I talk way too much in a lot of my videos. So in hindsight is 2020 sort of way, I have decided to go back and start revamping some of my older videos. These videos are going to be as short as I can possibly make them. If you have any questions whatsoever, please go watch the long version, the longest version of these videos. Alright, without further ado, let's get to it. A little while back I put this aftermarket radio, well, it's been a while back, but put the aftermarket radio in, and down here there was a CD player that came with the truck that I didn't want to deal with trying to make it work. That's got a CD player in it. There's no reason to have another little CD player down there. But then my dad has the same truck, and down here where the CD player was, there is a cubby hole instead in his truck. And I thought that'd be kind of nice to have a little cubby hole. So I went to my local wrecking yard and I got this cubby hole here. It'll go right in there. But to do that, you got to rip the dash out, obviously. But I tell you, this 98 GMC Sierra is the easiest dash to pull apart. Down under here, you pull this off here. It's just a cover plate. And there's screws across the bottom of it. But across the top, there's these little clips here that just push into little holes like that. So you unscrew those, then you just pop them off carefully. Obviously, don't break anything. If you do, I'm not responsible yet again. And it's real easy. Just pops right off. And along with this upper dash piece, there's no screws or anything, at least not in mine. And all you do is grab a hold of it and pull it. I don't think this dash had ever been off until I actually got a hold of this truck. So you just pop it off like that. And this whole thing kind of forgot. It's been a little while since I pulled this apart. And you need to put your e-brake on and put that down, your gear shifter, your gear lever down as far as it'll go to get this off. And then also back here you do have your light switch stuff. Alright, one more wire. I guess it has been a while. My brain just quit working. Anyway, there is another switch in here. It's for your cargo lamp switch. It doesn't even work on my truck. I gotta look at that anyway. Anyway, you just reach behind here and pop that out. It's pretty simple too. And then you unplug those. So and there's my little cubby hole. Alright, I'm back with this e-brake lever. Basically, first of all, you're gonna, oops, it goes that way. You're gonna pop this off. And what there is there's holes right there and there on both sides. And all it is there's two little clips on both sides here. And you just squeeze those in by whatever means. I used a little screwdriver, popped one in, and popped the other one in, popped it out. Then when you got the brake lever piece off, you're going to actually turn this to the side, which will actually allow this to pop through here. Don't forget to do that, because you will break it if you just try and start pulling on this thing. Now to put it in reverse, you pull out on this, twist it, which locks. There's just it's hard to see. I apologize for the small area I have to film in here. But anyways, it's hard to see, but there is, you'll notice it when you see it. There's a little cross or X. One way unlocks it, and then pull out, twist it, and you want it to look like that. And that'll lock it in place, then you button it down. Then this just obviously snaps on there, and you're done. Well, thanks for watching Junkworks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.